What does the future hold for technology, and how is it reshaping our lives? This question often sparks curiosity, intrigue, and a sense of wonder. Dr. Hwa A, an expert with a diverse background in sciences and business administration, offers a compelling perspective on this topic. Dr. Lim's form-function table is a fundamental tool in understanding the trajectory of technology. This table, a 4x4 grid, categorizes the basic functions of technology into 4 categories: generation, processing, storage, and transmission. These functions then interact with 4 forms of data: text, sound, image, and data itself. Generation, in the context of our digital world, refers to the process of digitization. Essentially, it's about converting all forms of data into binary codes of zeros and ones. Here's the fascinating part. Once these 4 forms are digitized, they all become data and can be handled as if they were the same. A few examples can make this clearer. Consider how the radio, telephone, record, and tape recorder, which were once separate devices, now merge into a single device, the smartphone. The same can be said for the fax, copier, printer, and scanner, which are now all functions available in a multifunctional center. Dr. Lim argues that, thanks to digitization, the form-function table has essentially collapsed into a 1x4 table. All forms are now treated as digital data after the process of digitization. Take the function of transmission, for instance. Simple transmissions, like books or DVDs, convey messages as they are. But modern telecommunications networks add value by combining other functions with transmission capabilities. Think about local and wide area networks or even value-added networks. All these are examples of how digitization has transformed the way we communicate and share data. According to Dr. Lim, digitization leads to emerging linkages between and across forms. It's why we see computer companies in the entertainment industry or entertainment companies in the cellular industry. Even giants like Yahoo, Google, and Facebook are jostling for dominance, each doing more or less the same thing. Digitization also blurs the lines between disciplines. A genetic sequencer, for example, identifies the 4 nucleotides of a genome to generate the genetic makeup of an organism. Once digitized, the zeros and ones are treated similarly with underlying biology as a guide. In conclusion, Dr. Lim's form-function table provides a clear, simple framework to understand the transformational power of digitization. It's a tool that helps to visualize how technology has evolved and continues to shape our world. It shows how the boundaries between different forms of technology are blurring and how new, powerful combinations are emerging. It's a glimpse into a future where technology is increasingly integrated, interconnected, and influential in our lives.